did you come from? Oh, you hooligan.
Fuck yeah, you potty bitch.
Oh. Did you die too?
Let's see if here's some mic. Give me money, I'm gonna do it.
Don't let him move.
I'm dead, AO.
I can pass. How about that?
I found a llama.
Good shit.
Drop me your wood, drop me your wood, drop me your wood, drop me your wood.
I don't know.
Thank you.
Give me damn much.
Fuck, can I aim?
No, you can't have smack my pitch.
No, I can't.
I've got 3 more minutes of not doing
No, I
shit.
can't. 3 minutes.
Sup, soulless?
Hi, soulless. Oh, nice dance move.
No, wait.
I'm so sorry that everyone has to stare at me wolves right now. I have no choice. Stuck here for 2 more minutes. I moved. I didn't mean to move. Why is it not?
Oh, nah, that's it,
Oh,
Nah.
wrong button. What a fucking retard. It wasn't moving. It wasn't movement. Oh, is that the TikTok people that are next to... Huh. Huh. Can it be 5 minutes already? Squishy Panda. What a name. I'm good, thank you. Hi, Squishy Panda. How are you?
Oh, we're doing amazing.
That's a cute name. It's a cute name.
Lovely name,
My
man.
phone's gonna die.
Shame.
Make it die.
Make it. I don't want it to die yet.
No, don't.
Are you moving out yet?
Charge it. No movement.
I'm lagging.
Eh. Doing good. Just got done playing Rocket League with some friends. Oh, nice. I'm terrible at that game. I'm terrible at most games, though, to be fair. Where are you from, Squishy Panda?
What a name.
It's a cute name.
Very cutesy.
Very demure. What's the time? I can move. I can't edit. But I saw someone for a second. I got scared.
But you just can't eat it.
It's almost like 7:30 in the morning, and I'm connected.
7:20, you retard, not 7:30.
Oh fuck! Shut the fuck up, you. I'm a little bit special sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes.
From Canada.
Fucking out of it if you reckon sometimes, eh?
I'll mention.
Oh, fuck, can I find a pump here? Oh, fuck that,
Fuck.
Oh, yo. I want it. I don't want to.
Princess.
I don't want to go around. I've been up all night.
Princess.
It's about 20 past 12 here, midnight. Oh, hello, doggo. Hi, Molly Gill. Your tail, bitch. Your tail, you bitch. That hurts. She's smacking me with her tail. You shut the fuck up.
What, on your ass or no?
Aren't you supposed to be no shields? Did you wait?
No, it's
When
only
did
for
you
5
return
minutes,
again?
bro.
It's only for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Ah!
Sorry, what is that?
And I dropped my expressions too. Just for that.
You did. I'm like, fuck your man's mix smells like maggots and cream.
That's fucked.
Twitch
That is
galactic.
disgusting. Why? Oh, hey. I don't want to be here. Bye. Not bye. No moving. Oh, and no shields again. Alright,
Respawn though, bro.
no.
Yeah, I only got
For
38 more
fuck's
points, so I
sake.
can't do it again.
Thank you.
38,000.
Ah,
Bye-bye.
your tail cut. Your tail hurts like fuck. I don't know if you know this.
No,
Owie.
you know this. No,
Shut the fuck up, you.
eh?
Ah, I can't.
Oi,
Ow.
shut the bang up, you. Shut the bang up.
Can you climb up on the couch, please? Chill. Sit. Stop it. Oh my god. Thank you for the follow, Squishy Panda. I'm just gonna float. Ow, 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 ow. Bed. 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 Good girl.
Dead.
Yeah, go to bed.
Flag up.
Na-na-na-na. What am I meant to do? Stand here? Hey, Cookie.
Yeah. A good little.
What are you doing?
I'm not allowed to move and I'm not allowed shields for 5 minutes.
Okay, let's break this.
Yeah. Fuck everyone.
Stand over here.
I don't want to stand there. I'm not allowed to move.
Fine, I'm gonna break this whole house so someone can see you.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
gonna
the
try
one
to get
out,
some sleep. You
Pookie.
enjoy the rest of your day and have a good stream. Thank you, Squishy Panda, and thank you for the follow. Hope you have a good rest. Sweet dreams.
That's
Fuck, why
the
do you
one out,
talk so
Pookie.
fast?
Was that fast?
Jeez.
Ooh,
Was that fast?
Yeah.
ooh.
That's not
Straight
normal.
rotten now. What are you up to now?
Are you gonna be dead, Al?
Sweet dreams. Bye, everyone. Bye, Squishy
Our
Panda.
pokey, cuz.
That's Paru.
Cookie, can I have that hunting rifle, please?
I want that mammoth, please.
Yeah,
Please,
that one.
I'll
else
suck a
is-
dick for it.
Can I have the
I
hunting
will
rifle behind
suck
you, please?
a big dick for that mammoth, little bro.
This?
No, the hunting rifle.
I don't know where that is.
The green gun there.
You can move to get it. Come on.
I can't.
Oh, you mean this gun?
Please.
This one?
Please.
This one?
Ah, doggo.
Get it.
Oh, you.
Go on.
Ah. Please.
Get it.
You know what sniper ammo?
I can't even grab the gun. Look at her.
Oh, he took it.
Thank you.
No. Hi.
Sniper ammo.
I've got no sniper ammo.
You know,
They're shooting
shit.
that.
That was not
I've
fair.
got one bullet. Make it count.
Get up.
This is a
Build it
boost.
again. Build it again. Nah.
I built another one.
Bro, my teammate doesn't know. I need sniper ammo.
I got 1 more minute. 1 more minute. And then I can run around.
Okay, I need to go
Please,
find some people.
anyone got sniper ammo at all?
No, I
Wait, he's
don't.
building around me. Teammate just built around me. Thank you, teammate.
Nah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Nah.
Oh.
Not today.
And they're not allowed to build. There's a bitch.
Where?
86 on them. What are they? Can't do that. 32.
135? Holy shit.
32.
So
I
this
can't
is-
move. I can't even fucking move yet.
He's running.
Yay. Thanks.
Fuck, yeah, you're dead. How long?
I
How
move.
long?
I can move. SMG. I'm gonna go die. After all of that, I'm gonna go die and then not be able to come back. Oh my god, you're dramatic, Doggo.
Lee. Posey. What's your name? Molly.
Molly.
Pussy. I want to go
That's
die.
yours.
I'm allowed shields too then. Yes.
How many's in here?
Hi, wifey.
Hey.
Hold on, he's better than you.
He only just woke up not long ago.
They don't
No,
want.
Yeah,
porn
I'm
star,
going to
that's
die.
not cool.
Yeah, tickle my Mecca, what happened?
Tickle my, what the fuck? Where'd that name come from?
My mind.
Hey, Andy Mark.
I think it's just one dude in there.
No way, I've got fucking headshots.
Please don't kill him, please don't kill him, please don't kill him. No, they killed you.
No.
I'm just gonna fucking rape a little girl.
Okay.